Good evening, children. Exercises 1.7. This is the last sum of this exercise and this chapter also. See, this is sum number 3 and example 1.39. Same model. We want to balancing the chemical equation by using Gaussian elimination method. Okay, this is very important sum. I'll do third sum. You will try example 1.39. Now, given what is given? Listen carefully, children. Given chemical reaction equation is chemical reaction equation is C2H6 plus O2 gives H2O plus CO2. Okay, now you got to consider how many terms are there totally. We'll get 4 terms are there. No, so what are the terms here? Left side 2 terms, right side 2 terms, so 4 terms are there. So I'm going to assuming 4 variables here, positive integers. Let x1, x2, x3 and x4 be the positive integer. Okay, here 2 terms, here 2 terms. I'm going to take 4 letters. In this letters we got to substitute here x1 C2H6 plus H2 O2, put orderly x1 x2 x3 like that, x3 H2O plus x4 CO2. Okay, now this is question number 1. Now you got to take number of atoms. You got to take LHS and RHS. Here also hydrogen, right side also hydrogen, left side carbon, right side also carbon. Left side oxygen is there, so right side also oxygen is there. Now you got to take each and every elements here. I'm going to take first hydrogen. You can take any elements your wish. I'm going to take hydrogen first. See children carefully. Number of hydrogen atom, number of hydrogen atoms which side on LHS equal to number of same hydrogen atoms on RHS. See here, come to LHS. See along with x1 and then 6, take this 2 number. This is our hydrogen atom. x1 6. How to have 6 times of x1 equal to here only having hydrogen, there is no hydrogen. Go to x3, here is having. See here x3 and 2. So how many hydrogen atoms? 2 x3. Here there is no hydrogen atom. Is it clear? See here children, hydrogen atom means this is H, this is hydrogen atom. Take this number and then this number also. Combine and write how many hydrogen atoms? Here 6 and x1. So 6x1. Then that no hydrogen here. Here is having hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms? Here 2, here x3. So 2x3. There is no hydrogen atom here. That's all hydrogen. Then take carbon. Your wish, you can take first carbon also. Number of carbon atom on LHS equal to excuse me, number of carbon atoms on RHS. Now come to RHS. Carbon 2 x1, 2 times of x1. RHS, LHS side. No carbon. Here also no carbon. Here is the carbon. Is there any moles here, atoms here? No. Here only having x4 equal to x4. Is it clear? Then hydrogen's over, carbon over. What is the remaining? Oxygen. So number of oxygen atoms on LHS equal to number of oxygen atoms on RHS. That is, now you come here, no oxygen, here having oxygen. How many here? 2, and here x2. Upper 2x2 equal to here. See carefully. 1 0 is there. One oxygen is there along with x3. So 1x3. Then put plus. Come to here also is oxygen is there. Here 2 up here x4. So 2 times of x4. Is it clear, children? How many elements are there? Hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. You have finished. Then you take and write all the oxygen. All the equations converted to that side. How to write this? Here you'll write means 6x1 minus 2x3 equal to 0. So converted to here 2x1 minus x4 equal to 0. Converted to here 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. You take and write all the equations. So equations are what it is 6x1 minus 2x3 equal to 0. Next 2x1 minus x4 equal to 0. The last one 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. Now take and write the matrix equation is. The matrix equation gives, see x1, what coefficient of x1, x2, x3, x4 here. First row x6, there is no x2, 0. x3 coefficient is minus 2, there is no x4, 0. Then go to second equation. x1 coefficient 2, x2 there is no x2, there is no x3, x4 is minus 1. Here no x1 coefficient 0, x2 coefficient 2, x3 coefficient minus 1, x4 coefficient minus 2. Okay, now I'm going to take this as x1, x2, x3, x4, that is equal to 0, 0, 0. You know children, hereafter how to write this? A capital X 0, like same model by after matrix equation write on augmented matrix. Yes, A bar O, or you can write B also, your wish. 6 0 minus 2 0 0. Second one 2 0 0 minus 1 0. Third row 0 2 minus 1 minus 2 0. Then you have to apply by Gaussian elimination method. Okay, Gaussian elimination method. Now we are comparing this equation. We want to write the smallest number, but I don't want to write any 0 in the first row, children. You write any number, that's no problem. So don't forget it. I don't want to write any 0 in the first row, first element. So 0 is the smallest number, means no need to interchange for this one. 0 it's not come. If it is come 0 means your answer is wrong. You can write any number, no problem. Okay, comparing this to 2 is the smallest number. Shall I interchange or keep like that? அப்படியே இருக்கலாமா? Okay, shall I keep like that? I will do like same model now. I don't want the number here, I want to convert it to 0. So shall I multiply by 3? Up R2 gives 3 times of R2 minus R1. Is it clear? Here 6 0 minus 2 0 0, third row is 0. Using rough column, no need to change third row because 0 is there, that's why no need to change. Now you write the R2 multiply by 3. 6 0 0 minus 3 0. R1 is write down using minus 0. The answer is 0 0 2 minus 3 0. Second row 0 0 2 minus 3 0. Then want to change triangle shape 0, no girls? So I want 0 here. Better you got to interchange this 2 row or to interchange R3. So what is the answer? 6 0 minus 2 0 0. Since 0 2 minus 1 minus 2 0. This is 0 0 2 minus 3 0. Now you got a triangle shape 0. Is there any possibilities converted to 0 here? Is there next anything? Any possibilities? What is the next condition for here? Triangle shape 0 is over. Next, shall I take and write the equation? How to write this? After finish the triangle shape 0, what you can do? It is in echelon form. What is the equation here? Then write the equation is row of a comma b is row of a bar o equal to 0. Sorry, rank is 3. Row of a equal to 3. So the given system is consistent and has unique solution. Correct? Therefore, unique it does not come, no? Infinitely many solutions you must write. Okay, see your triangle shape 0. After triangle shape 0, it is in echelon form. Row this is, therefore the given system is children. After triangle shape 0, it is echelon form. Row of a bar 0 3, rank of a is 3. Therefore row of a equal to row of a bar o equal to 3. But children, it's how many rows are there? How many elements are there? 4 elements are there, no? Less than 4. So number of unknown numbers. Is it clear? Therefore the given system is consistent and has infinitely many solution. Is it clear? Any doubt for this? Then you take and write the equations are. Okay, so equations are, how to write? 6x1 no x2 minus 2x3 equal to 0. Come to second equation. 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. Then third equation, 2x3 minus 3x4 equal to 0. Now we got to take put x4 equal to k, where k is belonging to real number. Substitute, and this is equation number 2, 3, 4. 4 equations you got to substitute. 2x3 minus 3x4 equal to 0. 2x3 minus 3k equal to 0. So x cube equal to, converted to that side, where 2x cube equal to 3k, x cube equal to 3k by 2. Then substitute x cube equal to 3k by 2 in equation number. Shall I substitute here? But I want k to know. x3 is x3 of not. Better substitute one equation number 2. What is equation number 2? x1, 6x1 minus 2x3. 6x1 minus 2x3 equal to 0. 6x1 minus 2 times of 3k by 2 equal to 0. 2 to cancel. 6x1 minus 3k equal to 0. 6x1 equal to 3k. x1 equal to 3 by 6k. Cancel. So x1 equal to k by 2. Then substitute x1 equal to k by 2. And then x3 equal to, x2 I don't want, x3 and x4 you want to substitute here. Okay, x3 I don't want here. You want to substitute x3 equal to 3k by 2, x4 equal to k in equation number 3. What is the equation number 3? 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4. 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0. 2x2 minus 3k by 2 minus 2 of k equal to 0. 2x1 minus 2k minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 2k. Converted to that side. x1 equal to plus 3k by 2 plus 2k. Taking LCM, 4 plus 3 is 7k. But 2x1 equal to 7k by 2. So x1 equal to, converted to here, xk by 2 into 2. x1 equal to 7k by 4. Therefore, the values of, what is x1, y1, z1? x1, comma, x2, comma, x3 comma x4, that is equal to 7k by 4. x2 value is, children, sorry, this is x2, written x1, x1, x1. x1 is k by 2, x1 is k by 2, x2 is 7k by 4, x3 is 3k by 2, and then x4 is k. Let us choose. I don't want any denominator number of the integer, because integers I don't want any fractions. I want only the whole numbers. It will come negative or positive, but you have to take only positive because it is taken x2, x3, x4 are positive integers. So we have to take only positive values of x2, x3, x4. So I don't want any denominator value. So let us choose. What is the LCM for this value? 4. Shall I take t equal to 4? Substitute here. What will come? x1, x2, x3, x4. Substitute t equal to 4. 4 by 2. 7 of 4 by 2. 3 of 4 by 2, 4. Cancel. What is the answer? 2, 7, 6, 4. This is x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, now substitute x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 7, x3 equal to 6, x4 equal to 4 in equation 1. What is our equation 1? This is our equation. x1 c2. See here, x1 c2 x2 h6 plus x2 o2 gives x3 h2o plus x4 co2. Now you substitute 2 times of x2 c2 h6 plus 7o2 gives 6h2o plus 4co2. What is this? This is required balance chemical reaction equation. It is balanced or not? See here, 4 carbon, here also 4 carbon. 6 2s are 12 hydrogen, 6 2s are 12 hydrogen. 7 2s are 14 oxygen, here is 1 6 oxygen, and then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So all carbon, hydrogen, and then oxygen values are equal. See, balance equation. Again, I'll explain you. We want to chemical equations are given. We want to balance this equation. So 4 terms are there. So I'm going to take 4 positive integers, substitute each value, take the atoms of LHS and RHS on both sides. After finding this equation, matrix equation as usual, matrix augmented by Gauss elimination method, that is row transformation method, form a triangle shape 0. Then write down the 3 3. Usually 3 3 means நம்ம consistent unique எழுதும். But children, here having 4 positive integer இல்லையா? So it is very small. Comparing 4, 3 is smallest number. So infinitely many solution. Then you take and write equation from this row echelon form. After writing this x4, I'm going to take k. You can take x3 also k. That is your wish. I'm going to take x4 equal to k. Then find out all x1, x2, x3 values. After finding these 4 values, it will come all values of fraction. What I'm going to assume? The 4 values are positive integers. I don't want any denominator value. Take the LCM. It will come 4. Then this 4 you got to substitute here. It will come the positive integer value. After finding this, you got to substitute in equation 1. After substitute, you got to combine LHS and RHS. We got to check it and then take and write. This is the final required balanced chemical equation. Any doubt, ma? Like same model, example 139. Try yourself. Any doubt? Thank you.